There was a proposal from the NDRMC, which I approved, that we will declare a national calamity because ilang regions na yan. There will be almost 10 regions, 10, 12 regions that will be affected.
Ito ang inanunsyo ng Pangulo kasunod ng pakikipagpulong sa mga opisyal ng pamahalaan sa headquarters ng National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council o NDRRMC kanina.
That gives us quicker access to some of the emergency funds, number one. Secondly, it mapapabilis ang ating procurement so that we don't have to go to the usual bureaucratic procedures and we can immediately provide assistance to the victims of the storms. Unfortunately, meron tayong inaabangan na parating na may potensyal na maging mas malakas pa itong natin napangalanan na one. And so we are also preparing for that. Yung pinakamalaking problema na nakita namin is that yung tao na, yung lahat ng personnel natin nandun ngayon sa Visayas para asikasuhin nga ang relief and support ng pamahalaan doon, ay kailangan na natin pag-isipan kung ilan doon, kung sino doon ang pwede nang dalhin para paghandaan na yung uwan, which is going to hit central and northern Luzon. Mukhang ang landfall sa Cagayan na naman.